my viewers. Welcome to everyone of B.Sc. students, honors and B.Tech. Now, for reduction formula, second phase. বন্ধুরা, রিডাকশন ফর্মুলার প্রথম দিন আমি যে দিয়েছিলাম, সেকেন্ড দিন আজকে মনোযোগ সহকারে তোমরা ফর্মুলাগুলো দেখবে এবং ক্লাসটা দেখবে। তার আগে বলে রাখি, তোমরা সাবস্ক্রাইব করবে এবং বন্ধুদের শেয়ার করে দেবে। তোমাদের উপযুক্ত সেমিস্টারগুলোর বিভিন্ন সেমিস্টারের জন্য আমি দিতে থাকবো প্রবলেমস এবং তার সলিউশন। এবং আমার অফলাইন অনলাইন ক্লাস চলছে এবং তোমরা যারা ভর্তি হতে চাও, অফলাইন অনলাইন তোমরা কন্ট্যাক্ট করতে পারো, বিশেষ করে অনলাইন এখন, এবং অফলাইন যখন ভালোভাবে শুরু হবে তখন শুরু হবে। তো রিডাকশন ফর্মুলা বন্ধুরা শুরু করা যাক। ইন্টিগ্রেশন IN let x to the power n sin x dx integration by parts x to the power n के फर्स्ट फंक्शन यूलेट and sin x second function. No problem. X to the power n sin x dx minus derivative of x to the power n into x to the power n minus 1 cos x dx minus x to the power n cos x plus n x to the power n minus 1 cos x dx. Again, second time by UV function and integrating by parts, we have minus x to the power n cos x plus n x to the power n minus 1 cos x dx minus n minus 1 x to the power n minus 2 sin x dx. এবারে এটাকে simplification form. Now simplification form, we have x to the power n cos x n x to the power n minus 1 sin x minus n minus 1 I n minus 2. Here in equal to x to the power n sin x dx. The power of n here suffix n. Next, in power of n minus 2, so in minus 2. This is represent in. Transposing, we have now no transposing. There is no necessary for transposing because here no in. So in minus x to the power n cos x n x to the power n minus 1 sin x minus n into n minus 1 I n minus 2. This is the reduction formula of integration x to the power n sin x dx. Here the power, here n is positive integer. N is positive integer. It may be 1, 2, 3, 4 and the other like positive integer numbers. Next, if in equal to 0 to pi by 2 x to the power n sin x dx. So what is the value of this? Now putting 0 to pi by 2, in minus x to the power n cos x n into x to the power n minus 1 sin x minus n into n minus 1 in minus 2. 0 to pi by 2, pi by 2. So in putting x equal to pi by 2, 0, putting x equal to 0 equal to 0. So x equal to pi by 2 sin pi by 2. So n into pi by 2 to the power n minus 1 minus n minus 1 I n minus 2. In plus n minus 1 in minus 2 n pi by 2 to the power n minus 1. This is the desired result when putting the values of pi by 2 and 0. No problem. Now next reduction formula. Number 2, in 0 to 1 x to the power n tan inverse x dx. Now integration by parts we have tan inverse x is the first function and x to the power n is the second function. Tan inverse x 0 to 1 x to the power n dx minus 1 by 1 plus x square x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 to the power x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 dx. Now x to the power n plus 1 by into tan inverse x by n plus 1 0 to 1 minus 1 by n plus 1 x to the power n plus 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Now putting 1 tan inverse 1 equal to pi by 4 n plus 1 minus 0 to 1 1 by n plus 1 0 to 1 x to the power n plus 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Now putting x equal to tan theta, let this is Pn, x to the power n plus 1 by 1 plus x square integration dx 0 to 1. Now let x equal to tan theta, so dx sec square theta d theta, tan theta sec square theta d theta. Putting x equal to tan theta, that means 1 plus tan square theta sec square theta. Tan to the power n plus 1 theta d theta. So 0 to pi by 4. 0 to pi by 4. Now this is easily I have said that I am shown tan to the power n theta before class. So you must be obtain the value of this easily. Let Pn Qm equal to 0 to pi by 4 m theta d theta, m equal to let n plus 1. So 0 to pi by 4 tan to the power m minus 2 theta tan square theta d theta. 0 to pi by 4 sec square theta minus 1 tan to the power m minus 1 theta by m minus 1 I m q m minus 2. অতএব নে qm 1 by m minus 1 qm minus 2. So easily we can substitute the values of this. Now Pn, this value is Qm. So m equal to n plus 1. Now pi by 4 n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1 1 by m minus 1 minus q. M means n plus 1. M means n plus 1. Qm m minus 2. Here Pn equal to Qm. So Qm Pn. The Pn equal to Qm plus 1, n plus 1. putting qn plus 1. So pi by 4 n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1, 1 by n minus q n minus 1 p qn plus 1 সমান pn minus 1. Next problem, if problem 1 I m n 0 to pi by 2 sin to the power mx cos nx dx j m n 0 to pi by 2 sin to the power mx sin nx dx, prove that m plus n I m n sin n pi by 2 m j m minus 1 n minus 1. Now integrating by parts, sin to the power mx 0 to pi by 2 cos nx dx minus this is u and this is v. By integrating by parts, m sin to the power m minus 1x into cos x sin nx by n sin nx by n sin to the power mx 0 to pi by 2 minus m by n. Now sin m minus 1x, we know that sin mx cos x minus cos mx sin x. So sin to the power m minus 1x sin mx cos x, transposing this sin m minus 1x cos mx sin x. That means sin pi by 2 n pi by 2 by n. This is 1 and putting 0 equal to 0 minus m by n sin m minus 1x cos nx. That means sin nx by n 2 sin m minus 1x sin m minus 1x minus m by n sin mx cos mx. Sin x cos mx sin x cos mx sin m minus 1x sin m minus 1 m minus 1x 1 m minus n mx cos nx m minus sin mx cos mx sin x sin mx m minus 1 cos nx sin m minus 1x sin nx minus 1x n now sin n pi by 2 by n minus m by n j m minus 1 j m minus 1 n minus 1 minus m by n I m n. So final result will be now final result transposing and final result will be m plus n by n I m n sin n pi by 2 by n m by n j m minus 1 n minus 1. So m plus n I m n sin n pi by 2 m j m minus 1 n minus 1. Hence proved. Next problem. reduction formula integration dx by a plus b sin x whole to the power n. Follow when the such problems a be here constant and n be positive integer, n be positive integer and a be constant, n greater equal 0, positive integer and a be constant. Such problems, what is the process to find out the reduction formula from this? Firstly, we let P equal to cos x by a plus b sin x to the power n minus 1. Again let a plus b sin x equal to t. Now putting p equal to cos x by t to the power n minus 1. Putting these values. Now differentiating with respect to x, we have a plus b sin x whole to the power n minus 1. dp dx minus sin x a plus b sin x u into v formula here plus this derivative minus n plus 1 into a plus b sin x whole to the power n to b cos x into cos x. Now dp dx this minus sin x by a plus b sin x n minus 1 minus n minus 1 b cos square x, that means 1 minus sin square x by a plus b sin x whole to the power n. Now we converting the value of t here easily. Sin x means t minus a by b minus t minus a by b into t to the power n minus 1 plus minus b into n minus 1, putting the value t to the power n, 1 minus sin square x, 1 minus t minus a by b cos square x integration dp dx t minus a by b whole square integration
t minus a minus b sin x এর জন্যে cos x is equal to cos x square x 1 minus sin square x t minus a by b square. So t minus a by b t to the power n minus 1 minus sin x a plus b sin x এর জন্য হবে cos x এর জন্য minus sin x a plus b cos x আর into cos x b cos square x minus b n minus 1 by t to the power n 1 plus 1 minus t square plus a square minus 2at by b square. Minus 1 by b t to the power n minus 2 plus a by b t to the power n minus 1 minus b into n minus 1 by t to the power n plus b into n minus 1 by t to the power n into t square minus a square b n minus 1 t to the power n plus 2at minus by b square into b n minus 1 by t to the power n. Now putting the values of easily, here t to the power n, here t to the power n, and here t to the power n minus 2, t to the power n minus 1, easily t to the power n so p integration minus 1 by b t to the power n, that means a plus b cos x whole to the power n minus 2 dx, a plus a by b 1 by a plus b cos x whole to the power n minus 1 dx minus b n minus 1 t to the power n, that means a plus b cos x whole to the power n, and so on. So easily transferable, and we can be obtain the desired result here. Next problem. So the final result will be in b cos x a plus b sin x n minus 1 a square minus b square a 3 minus 2n pb I n minus 1 by n minus 1 a square minus b square minus n minus 2 n minus 1 a square minus b square I n minus 2. This is the final result. Next problem. Integration now in equal to sin nx by sin x dx. What is the reduction formula of this? Reduction formula. Now in minus 2 sin n minus 2 x by sin x dx. Now subtracting 1 and 2 in minus 2 sin nx minus sin n minus 2x by sin x. Sin c minus sin d, the basic trigonometry. Sin c minus sin d 2 cos nx minus x into sin x by sin x dx. So cos n minus 1x dx. So integration this in in minus 2 equal to 2 sin n minus 1x by n minus 1. N minus 1 in minus 2 2 sin n minus 1x. This is the reduction formula. Obviously, no problem. Next, next problem. In 0 to pi by 2 cos to the power nx prove that now easy. Now this is v1, this is v, cos to the power nx 0 to pi by 2 cos nx dx minus n cos to the power n minus 1x cos x sin x integration of this sin nx by n. So sin nx cos to the power nx by n 0 to pi by 2. Now putting pi by 2 cos pi by 2 0 minus putting 0 0. So this is finally 0. Next, this is finally 0. Next, cos n minus 1x sin x sin nx dx. Now cos n minus 1x cos nx cos x sin nx sin x. Putting this value sin nx sin x, then cos n minus 1 minus cos nx cos x 0 to pi by 2 0 to pi by 2 0 to pi by 2 cos to the power n minus 1x cos n minus 1x minus cos x cos nx equal to in. Easily, this is in minus 1 minus cos n minus 1x into cos x cos nx cos minus cos nx in. In equal to n minus 1 by 2. Now in, now the reduction formula in minus 1 by 2 in minus 1 in minus 2 by 2 in minus 2 in minus 3 by 2. So in 1 by 2 square in minus 2, 1 by 2q in minus 3, and so on, 1 by 2 to the power n I0. I0 means cos 0 1, cos 0 1, pi by 2. So 1 by 2 to the power n into pi by 2, that means pi by 2 to the power n plus 1. Proved. Pi by 2 to the power n plus 1. I0 means here 0 to pi by 2 dx. 0 to pi by 2. Pi by 2. Now this is the last problems of reduction formula. I hope that you will follow the class attentively, and second time or twice I am saying to you that my online and offline class are running, and you maybe contact with me by the phone number, and the phone number will be 8017871059 oblique 8585839626. Through any number you must be contact with me, and many ranked students must be established have B.Sc. Honors, B.Sc. Pass and B.Tech, and in 11, 12 from 1 to 10, 2 or 3 ranked students must guided. So I am saying to you that if you good result or scored high marks of exam, then you must attentively follow my class, my viewers. And last at all, I am saying to you that you must subscribe to the bottom and share to all your friends of B.Sc. students, first year, second year, and B.Tech students. Now you follow with your heart and soul my class. You must succeed in your life. Now last year,